Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro leaks. Today we are going to talk about the leaks of Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro's camera and displays. As you can see from the renders, the upcoming Pixel 7 series phone will have roughly the same dimension as Google's current generation flagships. We don't have exact figures for the display sizes, but the Pixel 7 screen is said to be between 6.2 inch and 6.4 inch. And the Pixel 7 Pro 6 screen is said to be either 6.7 or 6.8 inches. DSCC's Ross Young, a prominent industry analyst, also claimed that the Pixel 7 would have a smaller 6.3 inches panel this year. What remains to be seen is whether or not Google will use the same fingerprint sensor as last year's models. While software updates have resolved most of the annoyances with those sensors, it's safe to say that they have only improved a modest amount since last year, and they are still no match to the sensors featured on other flagships. It's hard to argue with the fact that Google's Pixel phones offer a great camera experience. These phones benefits from a combination of great optics and Google's computational photography chops to deliver reliable cameras. The Pixel 6 series marks the first time in years that Google offered a new main camera sensor. The Pro variant even got a versatile triple camera system, which you can learn more about in our Pixel 6 Pro camera review. The Pixel 6 series offered a pretty good camera experience overall, but there is still some room for improvement. We know that Google is retaining the dual rear camera system for the Pixel 7 and the triple rear camera setup for the Pro model, but we are not sure if we will be getting these new optics. More on this in the wishlist sections. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends, and we will see you in the next video.